Let's see how to download and install Office 365 apps on your computer. On your browser, search for Office 365 login. Go to this office.com website. If you are not logged in, you need to log into the website. Since I am logged into the Office 365 account with my company account, it is showing me the Office 365 homepage. Here you will see the button Install Apps. If you have the premium Microsoft 365 apps license attached to your account, you will see this option. Click on this to download. After the download, open the file and it will install in a few moments. Now the installation is finished. You can see this message here. So close this window. Let's open any of the Office app. Let's open Excel here. When you open Excel, it will ask you to sign in with your Office 365 account. You can sign in using this sign in button here. Otherwise, it will not be activated and you will not be able to use the Office 365 apps properly. It will have limited options. So we will sign in with our Microsoft 365 account. I am using my company account which has the Office 365 license. And the password. When you see this message, stay signed in to all your apps. You don't need to sign in all your apps with your Office account if you are on your personal computer. So now you see I am signed in. I can see my name here. If I go to File, Account, and I will see the product information here. Subscription, Microsoft 365 apps for business. All the other products are also signed in with my account. If I open Microsoft Word here, after opening Microsoft Word, I can see that this is logged in with the same account, my company account with the same license. This is how I can use all the Office 365 applications to my computer. If you don't want to install the Office apps on your computer, you can just use the online version of Microsoft Word or Microsoft Excel from here. All the apps are available online. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.